Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 facts about Makkah. So here are the 10 most rare facts about Makkah. Fact number 1. Makkah is considered the holiest city in Islam, and millions of Muslims from around the world arrive here each year. Fact number 2. The city of Makkah is located 80 kilometers east of the Red Sea, in the Hijazi region of Saudi Arabia. Fact number 3. Makkah is home to the Grand Mosque, which houses the Kaaba, the most sacred place in Islam. Fact number 4. The Kaaba is a cubic structure made of granite and is covered with a black silk and gold cloth known as the Kiswa. Fact number 5. The Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in the world and can accommodate up to 2 million people. Fact number 6. The city of Makkah was founded by the Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail in the 2nd millennium BCE. Fact number 7. Makkah is considered to be the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad, who was born in the year 570 CE. Fact number 8. The Makkah Clock Tower is one of the tallest buildings in the world and is located near the Grand Mosque. Fact number 9. The pilgrimage to Makkah, known as the Hajj, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and is mandatory for all able-bodied Muslims to perform at least once in their lifetime. Fact number 10. Non-Muslims are not allowed to enter the city of Makkah, which is strictly reserved for the followers of Islam. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.